how to transfer Instagram account to another phone without password. So if you want to transfer Instagram account to another phone without password, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply go with your old device. From here, you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you're on your Instagram, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom, and then go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. From here, you need to go with the account center. Under account center, you need to go with profile and personal details. Then scroll down a bit and then go with contact info. And here you need to make sure that all of the information like your email, your phone number has been verified. Once you've added your contacts, what you need to do is just simply go back and then log out of your account. After logging out on your previous device, now you just need to simply go and take your other phone. Once you're on your other phone, now you need to go with login under your Instagram. And it will take you to this kind of interface. You just need to simply enter the username, email, or your mobile number of your previous account. After entering the email or your mobile number, now you need to enter your password. But if you don't remember your password, what you need to do is just simply go with forgot password, which is right here. Once you go with forgot password, it will take you to this kind of interface. You can either find by mobile number, or you can also use your email or your username. So just enter your email address and then go with continue, and you will receive a code to your email address. After receiving the code, you need to enter that code right here and then go with continue. And here you will have your account. So you just need to simply go and select the account that you would like to recover or that you would like to transfer. After selecting your account, you've been logged in. So that's how you can transfer your Instagram account to another phone without password. And it will ask you if you want to create a new password. You can just simply go and create one, or you can just simply go and skip this. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.